Our Learning for Life curriculum is a framework that supports all of our teachers and educators to understand, to communicate learning, and for talking with families about how their child is learning and showing progress over time. Our Learning for Life phases of learning and creativity describe how children learn. The first of the 4 phases is experiencing. It's those first initial encounters. This is the time when children explore a new material or perhaps a new relationship. Children then move into the phase of assembling. This is when children start to gather materials together and also start coming together in relationships in small groups. From there, they move into the making phase. This is where different elements are put together, sometimes with a plan, sometimes with a surprise that unfolds into a new plan. And then finally is the phase of reimagining. This is the phase that we often see with our oldest children in kindergarten. This is that phase where we're really opening up children's minds to be open-minded citizens, to embrace diversity, to be creative, to be problem solvers. And this is where the learning is super exciting as our children head off to school. At Explorers, our educators and teachers are very thoughtful and very intentional in creating the places where children learn, the space, the resources, what's happening, the rhythm or the ritual of the day. All of these things come together in what we call our permanent learning contexts. The early years is the time of life when children's brains are growing at a rate that is far greater than at any other point in life. We've got a responsibility and an opportunity to nurture confident, creative thinkers, to build in children the confidence that they can think, they can create, they can adapt, and they can respond to a changing world. So being that confident, creative learner is absolutely the key to a long and happy life in this world.